Taxi drivers wey dey for Port Harcourt don turn diasef to mechanic o. Come hear wetin dey happen. They say that due to the fuel scarcity and the cost of fuel right now, say they no even fit pay the mechanic people wey go do their car for them. You know wetin be the result of this in last? Make people go say yes, as a driver you suppose to get the idea of how to do some kind things in your car, but remember say those people wey dey give the wisdom to go learn how to do this thing, God know the reason why he give them the wisdom. Because if driver go say because you no get money again, say make him just try. From trying na go dey cause many accidents for road though. But however, no be wetin carry us come here. Wetin carry us come here today na the Nigerian youth don cry bitterly come talk say as e be like this, say this pushing wey the government dey push them, e don too much o. E say very soon the government go hear their own side of the story. Say nobody go judge them last. Now I say e don red though. My people, they say that even road now dey dey scarce, like road wey dey busy before no dey busy because of say fuel cost. People no fit buy fuel again, they put for inside their motor. We go bring you the videos, may you watch. But please, I wan beg you for something. May you try go follow my new page, which is called Balaba G's Vlog, because na there we go dey post every right now. Our old page they say they no go gree o. Now they come dey attack am, say stop talking. I say no, I no go stop talking o. I go dey talk, people go dey hear my voice and they know wetin dey happen o. So right now we are posting in that particular side. Please follow that page. Okay my people, I'm going to play the video. May you hear from the horse's mouth as he take the beef for street. Watch this video.
I just go beg you. I know you are a transporter, but when do you start doing mechanic? Why? Because I don't get money to pay again. You know what happen? For 1,000 per liter. Why I make a coke? Where you get all this? Wait. Let me tell you one thing. Wait, no understand. This two where you get 5,000 naira. See for 5,000. Is it 5 liter? 3.7 liter, 5,000 naira. 3.7 liter, 5,000 naira. I pay 1,000 this morning. This one at 5,000. 5,000 naira. If you go be see, 5,000 naira. See, 5,000 naira. Why you tell me which kind of job? How much they sell? How much they buy the liter? You say 1,000. Alele they sell 1,300. Alele for warfare road. 1,300 na in they say. It's fuel scarce in Port Harcourt. I know for them. Everybody they sell for evening time. So fuel no day now. Then me no day now. By evening time by 6 o'clock then go get fuel. Then go get fuel. So this one is 5,000.
When the governor or people when they're in the president for, they suffer. Like this morning now, I use like a truck where they live. I don't get to 1 naira to enter this in. You see, and my house is there far. No work, nothing, money not there. People that die. He said, the president. We win the president before. He not be my president. If he be my president, he gonna not send me at their suffer. He not be my president, where he be.
Yesterday I track tire. Yesterday I track. Even this morning I track. They are not trying now. All leaders are not trying. There is a place they will push this Nigerian youth. They will push us to. We may be forced to bounce back. And when we bounce back, heaven will not judge us.
Last month, my father no need Nigerian money. In wife talk say Nigeria no need. In husband no need Nigerian money. Say they want to keep Nigeria because me I can't look because I will go vote for them. If they see problem, they keep me. They put you for problem now. Big problem. For my father, I remember past time. My father sent me for 11 naira per liter. My father said Nigeria don't spoil. If say my father never die now, see where they buy now. He gonna say Nigeria don't spoil for that time when they 1,003. I buy 5 like 3.8. And you must work. I don't go eat. You don't work any work this morning. I never work 1 naira. They see they no price better money. Sir, I live and say, make I sort my work, my money. I beg. If my father don't tire, make him resign. I no benefit anything for in government too. Alright. As well, I been keep since how many years for 14 for good luck. I think say 9 times I go finish them. No way for me again. Spend 8,000 plus now. Come to tell me say. Thank you. Continue the work. Continue the work with the video. This yam now 12,000.
12,000 yam.
No, this one is 12,000.
12. Yes.
Why? This one a new yam now.
Why big yam? Well, sweet yam. Well, the yam.
Why the yam cost like this?
Ono chayam. Ono chayam.
Only chayam.
Yes.
But before this only chayam now how much?
That's
Before it's over 500, man.
500 one.
12,000 naira 3.
Yes.
Should not Tinubu make am cost like this? I've been aware.
Na Tinubu.
Tinubu Shetima.
Shetima. Yes.
And then make this yam cost. People know they buy. People they buy. People they buy small. They buy small.
Yes.
First scarcity in Nigeria, in Port Harcourt, River State. This one here in a war zone. 3 days ago, I got an make I buy fuel. And then they pay me 819 naira. I first come out, drive my motor down to Ada George. I reach Ada George, my brother make I buy fuel 1,001. Make I enter station buy fuel. Manager say no, they sell again. Say no, say tomorrow. Go down and add money tomorrow. Now what are we saying? Country will get fuel, they say 1,001. Ajib Ada George, from Ajib to location is 400 naira. I don't know if are you aware of that? Then can you imagine that somebody that is not making up to 500 naira in a day as a daily income, about them to 400 going 800 going coming back? What is the gain of? Can take me soya also? I beg, make una tell our president, no need to come the pet talk again. People are tired of this whole scenario. A bag of rice is 100,000, local rice 80,000. How won't take job? Next week school will resume. The least private school in Nigeria is 130,000. The least private school in Nigeria, if you want to change new class now. The so-called government school in Nigeria, nothing come out. If you keep king go, then other day or day will go turn to. So what are we saying? Tinubu, my president, I'm not smiling. Forget that they see smile in my face. Yeah, go to talk about here now. Making no say people down outside they hungry. No be when him and the Senate president inside house they chop chicken. See, people they fear to talk for Nigeria because when they fear they will bounce your down the midnight carry you. But some of us are not afraid again because once a man go die, and one end go reincarnate because believe in reincarnation. When they reincarnate, another person go take over. I beg, Mr. President. I know that this my voice no go reach your house, but at least anybody will hear and will know president make it tell and say people are suffering. Me I get handwork if I come out of the chop, but what are people will no get handwork? Day before yesterday one girl carry for neck they waka for Ikoko hungry day fine girl hungry day say no one do ashawo again say ashawo don tire am say now make we find work for am. Nobody when they chop belle for now give person food. As I talk to you now, some of my colleagues want to talk. Nobody only me want to talk.
It's uncommon.
Honestly, I am. And the funny part of it that it seems we don't have hope. But we are relying on God. Only God can save this situation. Because
God has given us natural resources, all we needed.
Nobody's arguing that one. But the problem that the politicians were having here, they don't look about future. They are looking about what they will eat. They have their self-interest. Whatever they are doing, the money the federal government is spending for senators and the other things are ruling the country, are bringing everything down, and everybody is knowing it. The only thing there, they know what they are doing now. They are bribing all these people, but something that will happen. That's what my belief. All of us were relying on God. Let God, whatever God wants, because
your thoughts on protests on October 1st?
My dear, the one we did before didn't yield anything. As far as I'm concerned, it's not yielding anything because the people that will start the protest, the people that will hit the protest so that the whole world will know. They have bribed them already. So what are we doing? And you see what your former governor here is saying. If you don't like,
I share a video. Port Harcourt streets empty, road empty. Fuel scarcity. It's not even fuel scarcity. I don't think we are experiencing fuel scarcity. It's the price of the fuel. There's fuel, but the price of fuel everywhere. Look at the road in Port Harcourt. So limited car.
They have their limited movements.
You go out on schedule
anyhow like before.
Like
you are very sure
You must be sure of where you are going before you just
numbers. Yes.
God have mercy. That's me. People,
God have mercy. I'm supporting you. God have mercy.
People will be working from home, honestly.
Yes.
This is quite unusual in Port Harcourt. Like I close from church on Sunday, there will be enough cars on the road. Like you see plenty cars.
Everywhere. Imagine Almighty Other George.
Yes, now this is Other George Road, Port Harcourt.
Almighty Other George. That's anyhow on this road.
This road is always filled with cars every Sunday.
But now,
it is well. God have mercy.
Our government is telling us there's a reason for them to increase the fuel.
Our local. Our local.
Yeah. And then about the China to launch some.
My son is junction here park. So
yeah, my wonderful people. Say una don see am. Na so e be o. Everybody now wey get car, most of people don dey park their car because remember say that this labor union don come outside. They come tell us say that if we will not take time, that fuel will be sold at 5,000 naira very soon for inside this Tinubu regime. If Nigerians youth do not wake up, even Dangote sef don even come tell us say him own fuel he go sell am for 1,300. My God, the things wey the people get for the land na wetin they dey suffer for. That is when you get people wey wan full their bag, full their hearts first, and this is what you get. So my people, na so e be o, and I will say mo bring am come show una. Abeg, drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Do not forget to follow our new Facebook page. Don't forget to follow that page. It's very, very important. You may not be seeing our post in the other side in nearby future. So please do follow that page so that you're getting our updates back to back as it is hot. Okay, my wonderful people, don't forget to share and drop your own opinion in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.